So as I suspected, the capacitor, the 0.47 50 volt cap reads open circuit or low capacitance. Tiny. It's really tiny for a 50 volt. Grab this is actually a used one I have. Retracted from somewhere else. 0.58 microfarads, 2.2 ohms. So I'm going to replace that one. Notice there's a stripe on one of the legs, just as there was with the old one. And that negative stripe, they're polarized. So the 0.47 went right here. 0.47. When you insert it, the 0.47, you will notice that there is a little bar. Like there, you see that little bar there on that side? That's the negative side. So it's on the right side here for that one. Yeah, so the reason they use this tiny one is because of the way this is notched out for that cap. I made the lead super long so I could bend it over and it fits in this notch. So this is 35 volt, 4.7 microfarads, but what's impressive about the capacitors they had in here, they're rated for 105 degrees Celsius. So these were actually some pretty good capacitors. Problem is, they seem to have failed. These are like the tiniest capacitors with this. Notice that it was just beeping once. It's 4.7, so this is under 13.6 for internal impedance. Let's compare it to another cap here. This was 35 volts. I don't know what the temperature rating is actually on this. Looks like an old school one. Let's see what this one measures out as. Look how big it is though. Yeah. You got a different tone. Ooh, 2.5 ohms. Still out of spec though. So I'm going to get something that's 4.7 or above. Dig through my little 4.7. What's important is that 35 volts. It would be nice if I had a higher temperature rating one as well. Oh geez, I wasn't even recording. This is 85 degrees Celsius. It's not the 105. More importantly, it's not over 4.7. So it's an older little cap. And I need something long enough to get in there and bend over towards this microprocessor, because that's the way this thing's notched out. The little display. You see that little notch right there. That's why they're using these tiny little caps with impossible specifications. Well, finally one that's actually over 4.7, barely. Look at that impedance, it's so low. Problem is, this thing's only 0.85 temperature rated. 50 volt though, 4.7 micro. And you see that says 85. Now you don't see crap because the camera doesn't focus. I'm going to end up putting this in because it's long enough and hope for the best with that temperature rating. Well, putting them back, we got a 35 volt, 4.7 microfarad. And this one's minus 40C to 105C. So that one meets all the specs. The problem is it's measuring a little low, but I want to stick this one in here because it looks like the leads are nice and long, and 4.38, shoot. And I think this one's going to work the best. So all the buttons work and that thing barely clears. Got them bent over. Gonna Windex all this, put it together. Pray to God that works.
Make fun of you.
No. Whatever. These are symmetric. Here, hold. Windex. Just trying to make sure this display. We replaced these two capacitors. This one and this one, because it was out of spec. I'm bad feeling I probably should replace that one too, but whatever. The rest of them I think measured out. This is pretty dusty. I'm pretty sure. I think this is C11. Yeah, C11. And what's that one say? C3 above, right there.
Yeah, C3.
C3 and C11. One's 0.47 microfarads, the other one's 4.7 microfarads. Both of them are actually rated for 35 volts. No, C11 was 50 volts. That's probably the display one. It was this one, and that was completely burnt out, that cap, and that's why this thing wasn't lighting up.
Yeah. What does this even do?
This is the controller to the oven.
Oh.
So this bends. I don't remember. I think I actually have to put these around first. Crap, I don't remember which way they went. Pretty sure they're gonna go straight because it looks like they snap into here. So these are symmetric and they go here. Get the one with the daughter board connectors first. That snaps in, bites in there. See how these FR4, these PC boards snap in there? Yeah, this was on the bottom too. So, squeeze together. Squeeze together, and then it snaps around. It's supposed to, at least. It's not doing it. Oops. That came together nicely. This one is not. I don't know why. It's not going in. This is how I got them apart, by lifting and bending out. There we go. So now it's together.
Yeah.
Now final wipe. Squeaky clean Windex. One final wipe. Squeaky clean Windex.
This seems like an ad.
And then, yep. And then you put in the line. What?
No, it's a little blurry.
That you didn't record. I would have been upset.
Yeah.
This is the hard part. What are you doing? Mom's recording us recording. How retarded is this?
Daddy, that's not a good thing to say.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, let's just hope the buttons work. Hopefully they aligned. That's good. Good. Cool. They all work.
Yeah.
So now we pause. Did you pause?
Pause.
Yeah, alright, so I just put this in here. I'm gonna mount this before I start making electrical connections.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm pretty klutzy. Little silver screws that match this go into this. Backwards for a second. There we go. Ah, shit. Backwards some more. I don't want to catch the thread.
Yeah, it's hard.
No sheet metal screw, so it shouldn't be like machine kind of thread, but there we go. That one went in nice.
Nice.
It's not tight yet. I'll tighten
It's
it
like
later.
it's like a tire where you have to go like crisscross from each other, you know?
You know what torque sequence you're saying?
Yeah. Like
No, I'm just
corner.
there's four and there's no rotational, you know, forces that would bring things out of balance or exaggerate things that are not torqued down in a sequence. And then again, covers, like valve covers and stuff. Alright, hopefully I didn't screw this up. Check this out. So I wrote in permanent marker. Oh shit. Let's type in here. I wrote one. Oh boy, I can't read shit what I wrote.
That's 8.
Can't be an 8. What does that say? E3?
Like I have no idea.
Alright, well let's do these. What is that? That's a 4 with the line underneath it, right?
Like it's like a plus without the bottom.
And no, I did lines to indicate which way's up, but that's a 4?
Yeah. 4.
So that's gonna be here. I'm not gonna push them on all the way until I check the picture after I stop recording. What does this one say?
That is, I have no idea.
It's Chinesium?
Yes.
Okay, there's a line on the bottom here. So what is that? 7?
12?
Oh boy, there is no 12 shit.
I don't know.
Where's my microscope? Oh, darn it.
What?
I can't read that.
Me neither.
Oh, that's a 2.
2.
White is 2. We're missing the schematics, unfortunately, to this piece of shit. That one I could push in probably, but oh, wait.
Wait, is there really no 3?
Well, there is a 3, yeah.
Well, the first one that you showed me, that was a 3.
I don't know.
This one, the green one.
You're sure?
Yeah, look at that. Is there an 8?
Oh, you're right. That's a 3. And the length would match up. There is no 8.
Okay, good. Because this one is 7.
That's 7. All right. What's next?
I have no idea what that is.
I'll do elimination.
5.
That's a 5. That makes sense. That's about right. I think these lengths are kind of letting you know where they go.
Yeah.
So one of these is going to be a 6. One of them is going to be a 9. The problem is one's the opposite. And this is going to be a 1, I think.
Yeah, that looks like a 1. Wait, let me see them. I can probably figure it out.
Yeah, that's going to be a 1 just by the way the wires are bent. Holy cow! The actual wires are stamped.
Oh my gosh,
You
E6.
see that? E6.
Okay.
Here I am trying to guess, and what do you call it? That wire was stamped. Boom. What's this one say?
E.
Should be a 9.
E9.
Exactly.
Wait, why is there no E8?
Because E8 doesn't have a terminal over here. I told you.
Oh.
All right.
How does it go up to E9 then?
What's
I don't know.
this? It goes here. E2.
Don't do what we did. Just look at the letters on them.
Yeah, they're stamped. The actual wires are stamped.
And if they're not, go try and find a picture of it.
Yeah, I got it. Well, they'll know now.
I guess
Oh,
so.
wait. Does this have an E4 on it?
The pink
Yeah,
one?
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says E4 right there. Interesting. And that's keyed. Only goes in one way. So the bottom is pink, long black, like a dark navy blue, another black for E9. E7 is yellow.
Another black.
Another black is E1. Then a white is E2. It's going to be the line in probably for the transformer. And then E3 is ground. That makes sense. Okay. So now we got all of this together.
Wait, push a button. See if it works.
Well, yeah, that's all clicking nicely. Let's plug it in and see if we fix the display, because that's what we started doing this to begin with. Hopefully that lights up nice and bright now, please, God, because I'm really tired of this shit.
Please. I don't want to do this.
Neither do I.
I mean, like, my dad probably been working on
Okay.
this for like an hour. It works! There was like a 925.
Hey, dude, yeah, you can actually read it. It's kind of dark still,
It's blinking.
but at least it's...
It's there.
Yeah, before it wasn't.
Actually, that might be a 3.
Yeah, it's 325, but look at that. So, those two caps did it. I bet if I stuck in a better cap, because one of them was like out of spec. I bet if I stuck a... Doesn't matter, dude. Let's put the rest of this together. We'll record that, and people can figure out how to take it apart in reverse.
You want me to pause?
No.
Okay.
Unplugged. Okay, so there's no screws on this. So that was that. I think this goes on next. And this...
Where's the knob?
This has a, what do you call it? Knob goes on later.
Oh, okay.
This has a, what do you call it? Little patch on the bottom. So that's got to go past here and here. Got now the buttons have to be aligned. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. So we got to get the buttons into the little plastic holes. That looks right. Yeah, it's there.
Alright.
All right.
The knob.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna Windex that before I put that on because that's gross.
Yeah.
Shit.
What?
I think these 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't think the 5th one, middle one, had it. So I think these screws actually hold that plate down.
Why did you say F word? Is that a bad thing?
Because I don't, yeah, these screw in nicely. So these go here. 1. They're not loose, they're not whatever. Yeah. 2. And this is number 4. It goes in this corner here. Shoot, did I screw down the display? I think I just did a loose. Oh well. Remember how I didn't tighten them down?
Yeah.
I don't think I tightened down the display.
No.
Yeah, whatever. I'll get the new cap before I dig in here again. I have a feeling we're going to have a problem with that resistor. Or this goes on after this. And then these are like beveled. Whoop. Alright, let me see. Some matters in there. Yeah.
So the holes go on the bottom, guys.
Yeah. Obviously, because this is all beveled like. These are beveled. That's going to go in the top. They're like flat. These are the ones that hold this on. These are black ones. And you can see where, which the holes that have, you know, friction rubs on. So that's how you know how to line it. Come here, look. Because there's 2 holes, right?
Yep.
But you can see that that one had a screw in it because it's polished.
Yeah.
From the, whatever. These are 1/4" sheet metal. And that one doesn't want to go in. Okay, let's get the bottom one here. Bottom one is this one. Is this 5/16? No, it's 5/16. This is a 1/4", so that's not going to work. You're going to need a 1/4".
I can go get it.
Yeah.
Alright, here.
Pause and get it. I'm going to get the...
He's going to get the last screws, and then I'm going to get the 1/4".
Yeah, so I did finger tight on all of them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one was not aligned. It wasn't perpendicular to the surface either. Alright, that will go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this. Then we need a Phillips. You got the Phillips you just took out?
This one?
Yep, that'll work. We got to take this one out. I screwed that in just because this one was an oddball and I didn't know where it'd go. And then that goes there. Slides in. It's sticking out really strangely. Look at this one. You see how it's got like a little, yeah.
Wait.
This one you probably don't even need to take out because this has got a standoff built into it, you know? So you can't screw it in all the way. It doesn't make contact. It doesn't make contact with that surface. It just sort of aligns it. Yeah, see? That's screwed in all the way, but you probably should loosen it at least then. And then these tapered ones go here.
Maybe when we used to fix TVs together.
Yeah. We still can. That one's there. This one goes here. And after this, we're assembled.
Yes.
And then I'm going to try to figure out, I have a feeling that the igniter even though it glows for the oven, these igniters need to be like fresh enough to let enough current to go through, so it opens up the gas valve. And I don't think our gas valve is opening up.
I don't think that's very straight.
Yeah, I know. No problem screwing that in. There we go. Oh, no. It keeps going to the side. Whatever. Oh, it went in. It's in like sin. Okay. Uh-oh. Where's the other end to this? Shoot.
What happened?
I'm missing a little tube thing for that. Anyways, let's get out from back here.
Alright.
Gas is on. You turned off?
Oh, turn off the
Recording?
Pause it? Okay,
Pause
pause it like that.
Because it's grounded and I install all my outlets that way. Oh shit, which way was up? It goes this way. The button's on top. Anyways, I install them like this just in case something falls on a wall. It's gonna hit the ground before it actually hits the hot.
Oh.
Actually, no, that's a neutral. This is the hot, the small one. I install all of my smiley faces, or my faces upside down in my outlets. Unfortunately, the way this thing's corded, it's not working. So we set the clock, press this, did the time, and actually illuminated time, we could see it. Whatever, 11, fine. Okay. Now, how the hell do we get this thing to turn on? Bake, that's what that says.
Put it on the knob.
That says
Wait, no,
bake.
you have to index it too.
Oh, shit. No, see, this is warmer. I don't know what that does. Preheat, bake. Oh, well, something else blue. I don't know what the hell does that say. Turn off those lights. Turn off the lights, maybe we'll be able to see. Still too dark. It says bake, right?
Yeah, it says bake 700, I think.
Where? Where do you see 700?
700, very slightly illuminated.
Baloney. Bullshit.
You can see it a lot better in there.
That's strange.
Actually, it says 100.
Holy cow, you're right. You can see something.
Exactly.
Hold
Daddy.
this, hold this. Let's see if we could get that to change. Okay, go back on the number. Is that changing? You're not focused. You're focused on a reflection. Why is my face reflecting? Let me get the dark shirt in there.
It's not changing, it's still 100.
Yeah, I know. More importantly, is this thing glowing? Yeah, it's glowing. So if you hold the button, you can see it. You can see it's glowing, but I don't hear the gas valve go on. Now there's a little safety on the back of this valve. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Let me turn on the flash.
Can we turn off the bake?
No, leave it on. I want to see this thing kick on. I don't know what this thing says. I'm going to stick MJ back here. Wait, oh, right here. What the hell is this?
Oh, there's an oven light that you can turn on.
I don't know what does that say. There's no writing here. But that's doing something.
The fridge turned on.
Yeah, the water. Maybe we should find a part number on this valve, gas valve. Figure out what it's supposed to do. Shit, I gotta press right next to me. Oh, dude, it kicked on. So that's the position it's supposed to be in. It finally kicked on.
That is sound pretty good.
Yeah, but it kicked on. But I think this igniter, that igniter is old. Or maybe when we power washed it, we screwed it up. Shh, hold on. Hold on, let me turn off the flash. But I hear the gas going. Can't see it. Don't know why. Yeah, it's going. More importantly, I can feel the heat. It's actually heating up now.
Oh yeah, I can feel it too. It's like...
You know what? Maybe we should try broil.
What's a broil?
Warm and serve. Very broil. I don't know what the hell that means. Can't believe that's too dark. I need to replace that cap again. Shit.
Yeah.
Gotta take this whole thing apart. I wonder if we used a light, would it have illuminated it? Nope. It's better than it was.
way better.
Had I replaced that capacitor with a new one, as opposed to one that I pulled out of an old TV, probably from the 60s, we would have been in much better shape.
How about, we should probably test if these work too.
Oh, those work.
Sure. Oh yeah, they do.
One. Oh, mouse. Did you see that?
It was like turning on the wall.
I know. He's probably in the fucking oven. He just got evicted. He's like, oh, it's too hot. Oh, wait. Don't burn my knob.
Exactly.
Hello? There we go. Okay. That's going. Wow, this thing's a pain, though. Yeah, I can't see what the hell that says. That's what stinks. Oh, wait. Bake temp. I pressed bake temp, and that looked like a 4.
It's 75.
35.
35.
Press bake temp. Hold on, I'll press it. Bake temp here. I got it. There we go. You could change it.
450.
Yeah, there we go.
I should probably
So
turn
it's
it off.
actually working. All right, so that was bake, and it illuminated there. What happens when I hit preheat?
140.
Whatever. Now, go cancel.
I can see myself in the reflection.
Cancel turned everything off. Okay. What about very broil?
It doesn't smell
Ooh,
good.
broil. Yeah, who cares?
So it's burnt.
Okay, broil. Broil high, low. And I don't know what the hell the difference is. Broil high. Is there a start? Stop. Whatever. We'll just, okay, I think it's responding. You just leave it.
I think we should turn it off.
Broil high. Well, we know it's C11 because the other capacitor was actually in spec, or was it the other capacitor? I don't remember the video. Shoot. Anyways, I'll put this on before I lose it.
I'm gonna go inside.
All right, thank you, buddy.
See ya, Daddy.
See ya. And the broil igniter's going.
Wait, what do I want to do again?
Drink the pineapple juice?
Oh wait, no. Can I have those gums?
No.
Okay.
Don't touch the gums.
I've had it for like 3 years.
I know. They're nice and soggy.
Mmm. That's disgusting.
A watermelon. Oh, kiwi watermelon. Oh, you don't want it anymore? Find me that way.
You know they're soggy.
Yeah, they were up there. No, that lit. All right. Broil function works too. The broil function works. All right, close it up. Yep, that works.